Don't drive on the left side, no? Yeah, we have right traffic here, no? In Germany. Right traffic. So now you can prepare. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look, to complete the sequence, and someone want to come out, no? And go. Don't have them, no? 2 seconds wait, sometimes better, no? So we turn right. If you see someone in front of you, then you can help them, no? So look, he's not ready for left. You give away. Now we turn right. Yeah. Right, and now we turn right. Oh, your seatbelt, your seatbelt, your seatbelt. Yeah, I make this. You can do that. Whoa. Yeah, better is, no? The seatbelt is a very important thing, no? So we look left, nobody there, and then we go. Yep. You look too far. Here is red, no? This is green and this is red. You have seen that, no? Die Vorderampel, die weit weg war, die war grün und die vordere, die war rot. Ui. Obwohl gar keine Bahn da stand. Das ist immer ein Ding, ne? I make this is okay. Okay. Yeah, I changed the thing here. Okay. Good, good. So. Oh, now train.